Do your thing, don't move around. You know I ain't sticking around, cause you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me. And I do what I got to let you know you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what so say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Scatter glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend. There's no way to comprehend. No way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You make me feel less than small. You tore me like a wrecking ball. You hit like an earthquake.
Baby, yeah, I was not even planning on talking in this video, but I just watched that. Oh, it's cold. I just watched that texturizer, this Afro-G texturizer treatment. Y'all see how my curls was looking before I put this in. Now, I had to let this sit because I do have very high porosity hair because my hair is extremely damaged. It probably don't look like it, but it is, honey. Except for my roots. That's the problem. Like, my roots is definitely low porosity because I originally have low porosity hair, but my ends is doing the most. So I had to use this Afro-G treatment on here, and I know a lot of people do not like putting protein in their hair, but baby, my hair needed the protein. My hair needed all of the protein, plus more of the protein, plus all of the moisture that it could have supplied. And baby, this, honey, honey, this did exactly what it needed to do. Now, I think this was like between $13 to $18. I really don't remember, but oh, honey, it is definitely worth it. Like, look at these curls. I don't have anything else in my hair right now, and it is definitely giving. And then I don't even know if y'all can really see my roots, but it really did its dab on the roots. Okay, so I'm actually about to cut my hair because it does not have enough shape for me, and I really do want to get rid of some of the deadness on there, but I don't want to cut too much. So after I cut it, which will probably be a different video, I'm gonna go in with this. I don't know if this Mael, Mimi, whoever it is. I'm gonna go in with her deep conditioner, and then we're gonna finish it off. They had a Camille Rose coconut water one that I wanted to try, but I could not find it in the store, so I'm gonna have to order it. And I had this one, so we're gonna go in with her next.
There's no room for one mistake. Pick up your stuff and leave. Agree to disagree. So take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. You came with darkness, now I'm turning toward the light. You can't patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Ooh, ooh. Take your brokenness and go. Just walk away. You're not welcome anymore. You're not welcome anymore.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me.
Hey, my love. So this is what it looks like fully dry. I did just sit up under the dryer. I am about to go to bed now. It is like 2:40 in the morning. So all I'm about to do now is just wrap my hair up, put a bonnet on, and then I will get up in the morning and show y'all what day one or what it looks like once I wake up. And then I'll probably, because I'm feeling like Mary had a little lamb, but I did do the, what is this thing called? The wolf cut or the unicorn cut, whatever it's called. So that's why my front is looking way shorter. But I actually do like this cut because it makes me feel like I have definition. I actually do love this wash and go, y'all. Like, this is the best wash and go I have ever done. Oh, y'all, I'm tired, but my camera don't have enough members, so I'm recording off my phone right now. But this is the end of day one. I did diffuse and stretch it out with a blow dryer, so that's why it looks puffier. And then I just got these bobby pins in right here because I did style my hair earlier. But I'm getting ready for bed. It is 3:23 in the morning, but I just wanted to show y'all what the end of day one hair looks like. It is still soft. I do have a little frizz going on up here, but as far as the curls are holding up. There is no gel, like no gel cast or jelly cast or any flakes. Like the products work so well together. It did not have any flakes. It did not have any of that residue. Because I tried to do a wash and go last week and it was just an absolute flop. But my hair is so soft. My curls are so soft and they're so bouncy. It feels so good. I don't know if it's the extra virgin oil. I don't know what it is. But it is a yes for me. So I really don't know if I'm going to change up my routine. I do actually like it better when I diffuse and stretch it out and blow dry it. I don't know how much of the camera cut off before it ran out of space, because I was showing y'all that I was diffusing, so we'll see. But I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to continue the whole week to show y'all how my hair is holding up, but I am about to wrap it and put my bonnet on and go to bed. It's so weird trying to look at this camera. I'm so used to recording on my camera now that the phone is probably, like, my eyes are probably doing the most. But anywho, let's go.